Good day, Ms. Muira. This is my second essay about the agricultural application of alkynes, alcohol, and ethers. When discussing the agricultural application of alkenes, alcohol, and ethers, it's essential to highlight their roles in farming practices. Here are simple explanations of their application. Alkenes are unsaturated hydrocarbon containing a carbon-carbon triple bond. While alkenes are not directly used in agriculture, they are crucial as building blocks in the synthesis of agrochemical. These include pesticides and herbicides that are essential for crop protection. Alcohols with their hydroxyl function group are commonly used in agriculture as solvent for virus formulation like pesticides and fertilizer. Additionally, alcohols serve as carrier for active ingredients, facilitating their efficiency delivery to crop and ensuring their effectiveness. Ethers have limited direct application in agriculture but play a significant role in the pharmaceutical industry. In agriculture, ethers are essential for formulating veterinary medicine and other pharmaceuticals related to agricultural practices.